Have you ever told yourself, I'll start tomorrow? Maybe you want a better job, a healthier body, or a new skill. You dream big, but you act small. If yes, then this story is for you. Stay with me till the end. We will learn some new English words and how to use them. It will be fun and easy. In a quiet European town named Ravenswick, there lived a young man named Lukas Meyer. Lukas was friendly, smart, and full of dreams. He often told his friends, "Someday I will open my own bakery. People will line up outside to taste my bread. I will be famous in the whole town." His friends smiled and encouraged him. They believed in him. But there was one problem. Lukas always delayed things. Every morning when his alarm rang, Lukas pressed snooze. When his mother asked him to practice baking, he said, "Not now. I'll do it later." When his friend Emma invited him to a business workshop, he replied, "Maybe next week." Lukas loved dreaming about success, but he hated doing the work that success required. One cold afternoon, Lukas visited Grandpa Henrik, a wise old man who lived at the edge of the town. Grandpa Henrik used to be a famous baker himself. His bread was known everywhere. When entered the small wooden house, he saw his grandfather sitting near the fireplace. Henrik looked at Lukas and said, "My boy, you talk about your bakery every year, but you haven't baked a single loaf this month. Why?" Lukas smiled nervously. "Grandpa, I will start tomorrow. I just need some rest today." Grandpa Henrik shook his head slowly. "Tomorrow, tomorrow, always tomorrow. Let me show you something." He took Lukas outside to a small garden behind the house. There were 2 pots on the ground. One pot was full of strong, healthy green plants. The other pot had only dry soil with tiny, weak sprouts. "What are these?" Lukas asked. Henrik replied, "In the first pot, I planted the habit seed. Every day I watered it, just a little, but every day. Look how strong it became." He pointed to the other pot. "In this one, I planted the excuse seed. I watered it only once. Then I said, 'Tomorrow.' Now look, nothing." Lukas stared at the pots. Something inside him felt heavy. Grandpa Henrik touched his shoulder and said, "Success grows from tiny daily habits. Excuses grow from laziness. And my boy, excuses kill dreams faster than failure ever will." That night, Lukas lay awake in his bed. He remembered all the tomorrows he had wasted, all the chances he had ignored, all the dreams he had postponed. He whispered, "If I don't change today, I will never change." Before sunrise, Lukas woke up. He cleaned the kitchen. He practiced baking. He studied recipes. He wrote a business plan. He took small steps, but he took them every day. Weeks turned into months, and Lukas improved. His bread became soft, warm, and loved by everyone in Ravenswick. 2 years later, he opened his bakery, Lukas's Morning Bread. People lined up outside, just like he had dreamed. But this time, it wasn't a dream. It was his work, his discipline, his choice to stop saying tomorrow. Dear listener, inside you, there are always 2 seeds, the habit seed and the excuse seed. The one you water daily becomes your life. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today, because your dream is waiting for you, not for your excuses.